Today, we're diving into the features of the Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, a must-have gadget for every vehicle owner. This powerful device boasts a 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery and can inflate car tires, bike tires, swimming rings, and sports balls with ease, reaching up to 150 psi for fast inflation in just 30 seconds. Equipped with 4 preset inflation modes and an auto-stop function, it ensures precise pressure for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls, making it versatile for any situation. Its compact, lightweight design, comparable to the size of a mug and weighing only 570 grams, makes it easy to store in your car, bike rack, or backpack, perfect for on-the-go use. The built-in LED light and LCD screen enhance usability, while the option to power it via a car cigarette lighter ensures you're never left stranded. Whether you're at home or on the road, this portable air compressor is designed to meet your daily needs, making it an ideal gift for family and friends who love outdoor activities and camping. With 24/7 customer support and detailed instructions, you can rely on this electric tire pump for quality and convenience whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.